Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Goddess of Love and Truth Reacts, coming to you with another video upload. If you are new to the channel, click that subscribe button. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. If you are new to the channel, click that subscribe button. Click that bell notification for all so that you never miss an upload. If you are a returning subscriber or viewer, thank you for your support. Make sure you guys like the video, share the video, and leave your comment down below. And the people that are new, you can also do the same. Like the video, share the video, and leave your comments down below. So you guys, I didn't think that we was going to get another Diddy update until Friday. Well, we actually got another Diddy update today. Yesterday, Diddy had a win because the judge pretty much ruled in their favor and agreed with the defense attorneys, saying that if they had anything that had legal on it, which is attorney-client privileges, then the government should not have access to that. So that's what they were saying. They were saying that when the raid took place at the jail and when they confiscated Diddy items, the defense attorney is saying that they took items that were attorney-client privilege. So that's why the judge ruled the way he ruled yesterday, but it said it was pending his ruling, like, because they discuss it then, but then sometimes they go afterwards and they review the information and then they go ahead and do it, just like how y'all watch the YSL trial. The judge, when they do their motion, she say whether she gonna approve it or deny it or whatever, and they discuss it right then, but then after court, that's when she sign everything or whatever. So that's the same thing here. So this first document that we are looking at, I hope you guys can see it. I may need to make it big. I switched my glasses so I can read this. I hope y'all can see it. This one is the first document where the judge ruled in the defense favor. And then we're going to go over the next document where he said, not so fast. So for this one, Iran Submarinian United States District Judge. Oh, and at the top, the United States of America against Sean Combs defendant. All right. Sorry about that. And this is in the United States District Court, Southern District of New York. So for the reasons stated at the hearing held on November 19, 2024, the government, with the exception of the filter team, must immediately delete the photograph notes at issue pending the court's ruling on whether they are covered by attorney-client privilege. The government should confirm on or before November 21st, 2024, that's tomorrow, that the notes have been deleted based on the government's representation that the filter team has no involvement in either the grand jury investigation or this litigation. The filter team may retain copies of the photograph notes, but may not provide them to anyone else. Briefing on defendant's application related to the notes will follow this schedule. Defendant's brief to be filed on December 4th, 2024. Excuse me. The government's response by December 9th, 2024, and the defendant's reply by December 11th, 2024. The briefs should include citations to best case supporting or refuting the requested relief. Finally, the defendant's reply brief on this renewed motion for bail, DKT.60, is now due on Thursday, November 21st, 2024 at 12 noon, and that is tomorrow. So ordered, dated November 20th, 2024, New York, New York. and then it's signed by the judge. Okay, so that's because, of course, this is what the defense attorney told the judge. Now we're about to find out that they lied. They lied, and when they filed their emergency hearing, they didn't even add this in the hearing, but they discussed it at the hearing. So let's get into the next one. All right, United States District Court, Southern District of New York. United States of America against Sean Combs, defendant. And again, we have the judge, Aaron Subramanian, United States District Judge, in his November 19, 2024 letter to the court filed prior to the hearing that same day, defendant stated a government investigator took photographs of several items, including intact pages from 2 different legal pads and ripped out pages of other legal pads, DKT 75, at 1. Wait a minute. At 1. Okay, now stop right there. I thought maybe I'm missing something. I have to make my screen bigger. Okay. The letter also describes the legal pads in detail and argued that they were privileged in part because on top of the legal pads and notes, defendant has a folder marked legal, which puts anyone on notice that everything along with the folder marked legal is attorney-client material. And it says ID at 1-2. I don't know what that means, but that's what it say. At November 19, 2024 hearing, defense counsel presented the court with intact legal pads with legal written on the binding, stating that the legal label on this and other pads show that they were clearly protected by attorney-client privilege and should not be in the government's possession. The court notes that the sealed exhibit to the government briefs at DKT 72-1 includes photographs of 2 intact legal pads taken at the time of the BOP sweep, the raid. There is no writing on the binding of either pad. Let me read that again. There is no writing on the binding of either pad at the scheduled hearing on Friday, November 2022. I'm sorry, no, my bad. At the scheduled hearing on Friday, November 22nd, 2024, defense counsel should be prepared to give the court further context on the legal label that the court was presented with on November 19, 2024 hearing, and to address why this label does not appear on the photographs in the court's possession, and why it wasn't addressed in the defendant's submission to the court made a few hours before November 19th, 2024 hearing. Let's read that again. All right, let's read that again. It says the court, okay, hold on. Let me start over from here. At the scheduled hearing on Friday, November 22nd, 2024, I don't know why I keep saying it, defense counsel should be prepared to give the court further context on the legal label that the court was presented with on November 19th, 2024, yesterday, hearing, and to address why this legal label doesn't appear on the photographs in the court's possession. So y'all lied because it's not on there, okay? And why it wasn't addressed in the defendant's submission to the court made a few hours before the November 19th, 2024 hearing. So not only does the photograph not show it saying that it was legal, The defense attorney also did not add that information in their documents that they filed when they filed the emergency hearing. So the judge want to know why. Why? Why? Da, 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 da. I don't know the rest of the words. But why? Why did you do me that way? That's the Michael Jackson song. And I'm old. I should know the song, but I just could not think of the words right now. Watch. As soon as I finish this video, the words gonna come to me. But anyway, so ordered, dated November 20th, 2024, New York, New York. And then again, it is signed by the judge. So the judge said, listen, Linda, listen. Why I don't see what y'all said that y'all saw? Where is the proof? Where is the proof? So they don't need to tell this judge why they came before the judge and why they filed this emergency hearing to suppress the information that was found, to suppress the evidence that was found in the BOP sweep / raid at the jailhouse. We want to know why we don't see what y'all saying that y'all saw. The judge gave them the benefit of the doubt, and look what had happened was. All right, you guys, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. I said I'm gonna go on and bring the documents and read the documents now. I probably ain't gonna keep on doing it, but I did it now because people be saying, stop repeating stuff. I be reading the documents myself. Sometimes I do listen to other creators when they go and they give the information, but I don't just go about speculations. They have the documents and they're reading the documents word for word, verbatim. You can read just like how I just did it. Y'all can read it along with me, or y'all can listen to me read it, So I do be reading the information. I just don't always bring the documents up. And most of the time, when I don't bring the documents up on my video, I add it to my community wall. People just don't go over there and check it out. But yeah, the documents be there. They be there. But all right, you guys, I wanted to just bring this to y'all attention and let y'all see what had happened was today. We wasn't expecting this, because who would think that the defense attorney would just go in there and lie to the judge like that? Why you always lying? All right, y'all, let me get off of here. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Click that bell notification for all so that you never miss a video upload. Like the video, share the video, leave your comments down below. As we always say before we go, love, peace, and hair grease. Smooches. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful rest of y'all day. Bye-bye.